Shaun here from Rapid Welding Industrial Supplies. Today I'll do a short video on which is the right disc to use when beveling. So on paper they all do the same thing. I've got my flat disc, my fibre disc and my grinding disc, but they all have their key benefits depending on what outcome wants to be achieved. So if I've got a new starter or someone who's not really used to grinding, I'll get them on a flat disc. These are very versatile discs and very user friendly. If speed is key, I would use a fibre disc, but make sure I would use a hard backing pad because the compound is quite hard, it needs to be broken down. And if you had a soft backing pad, you wouldn't find the full effect of the disc. If heavy stock removal is key and the life of this is important, I would use a grinding disc, but they will all do the same thing. Thanks for watching. Please follow us, share us on the social media platforms and visit us on rapidwelding.com for more details. Thank you.